I've always gone to the gym for heavy lifting exercises like squats and bench presses, so I'm excited to share that I now have a half rack in my garage, the Mikolo Anubis 2.0 Elite. The Anubis 2.0 Elite is a half rack functional trainer built with a 3x3 inch, 12 gauge steel frame and dual 175 pound selectorized weight stacks. It's designed to give you the versatility of a commercial gym in one machine. Barbell training, cable training, pull-ups, landmine work, built-in storage, and a full lineup of attachments. In this video, I'm going to break down each feature, so if you're in the market for a half rack, you'll know whether the Anubis 2.0 Elite is the right fit for your home gym. From Mikolo, I received the Anubis 2.0 Elite, a gold 7-foot 45-pound barbell, 230 pounds of easy grip bumper plates, and the BASTET 2.0 bench. With all that equipment, I had nearly a dozen heavy boxes delivered over the course of a few days. To prepare, I also picked up horse stall mats from Tractor Supply Company to place underneath the rack during setup. I've never built a half rack before, so I got help from my brother-in-law, and I'm glad I did. There were a lot of steps where having two people made the process way more manageable. It took us about a full day to assemble everything. You can follow along with the paper instructions given, or you can check out the Mikolo website or YouTube for an installation video that walks you through everything step by step. Once the Anubis was all done and set up, I really loved the final look. The black and chrome finish looks clean, and the Mikolo branding is subtle but sharp. The frame uses 1-inch holes with 2-inch spacing, includes rear storage tubes, and comes with safety pins. With the spotter arms, the Anubis 2.0 Elite is 57.7 inches in length, 51.2 inches in width, and 91.2 inches in height. Now let's walk through each feature one by one, starting with the cable system. The Anubis 2.0 Elite comes with two independent selectorized weight stacks, up to 175 pounds each, including the additional 5-pound weight. The plates are connected to height-adjustable cable trolleys. The cable trolleys have aluminum pop pins and premium knurled handles and glide smoothly along the upright bar, so you have high, mid, or low pulleys. This whole setup lets you perform a huge variety of cable exercises across different attachments, and we'll go through those now. One of the attachments you get is a pair of D handles. These are single-hand cable handles with a rotating grip, which keeps your wrist in a natural position throughout the movement and reduces strain on your elbows and shoulders. With D handles, you can perform upper body exercises such as chest flies, chest presses, rows, lateral raises, bicep curls, and wood choppers. Another attachment you get is a straight bar. It's great for exercises where you want both hands locked onto one bar instead of separate handles. This gives you a solid fixed grip that can be used for exercises like shrugs, upright rows, and tricep pushdowns. Speaking of triceps, another attachment you get is a tricep rope. It's a thick braided rope with stoppers on the ends for grip. This is perfect for any pulling motion where your wrist needs freedom to rotate naturally. You can use these for tricep-based exercises like pushdowns and overhead extensions. But it can be used for muscles beyond the triceps. You can work your rear deltoids with face pulls, biceps with hammer curls, and abs with crunches. Because the ropes allow your hands to separate at the bottom of the movement, you get more of a stretch compared to a straight bar. There's a dual hook straight bar that's designed to attach to both cable towers at the same time. When both ends are hooked in, the tension stays balanced and the movement feels similar to using a barbell, but with cable resistance. The dual hook straight bar is great for exercises like squats, curls, and shoulder presses. This is perfect for when you want barbell style movements but don't want to load up weight plates. You also get a Velcro ankle strap for lower body cable work and allows you to attach the pulley to your ankle, making it so you can perform exercises like kickbacks, hip abductions, and hip adductions. This is a great accessory for isolating the glutes in ways you normally can't with a barbell. You also get a Lat Pulldown Bar, which is a long bar with angle grips on each end. You can perform lat pulldowns with this bar using the high pulley, a bench, and the thigh pad that locks your legs in. This classic attachment is one of the best for building your lats and upper back. Speaking of the thigh pad, it's actually a 3-in-1 pad, and it's one of the most unique attachments in the Anubis 2.0 Elite. It rotates into different positions, allowing you to perform different exercises. At one angle, it can be used as a thigh pad to support you when performing lat pull-downs, or it can be used as a step platform for exercises like Bulgarian split squats. At another angle, it can be used as a footplate for seated rows. It can be stored in the rear tube when not in use. On top of the rear tube storage, on the back of the rack, is a vertical pegboard, specifically for organizing your attachments. You get several hooks, so you can hang your D handles, ropes, bars, ankle straps, and more. Everything has a place. This keeps your home gym clean, prevents your accessories from getting messy or lost, and makes swapping attachments mid-workout much faster. It's a really nice touch. Now let's talk about the barbell training features. One of the barbells Mikolo offers is a gold 7-foot 45-pound barbell that works perfectly with the Anubis 2.0. The finish looks really premium, knurling feels great, and you also get a built-in storage tube on the back of the rack so it stays out of the way. With the rack, barbell, and bench setup, you can perform all of your main lifts, including squats, bench presses, shoulder presses, and more. When using an adjustable bench like the BASTET 2.0, you can also perform incline and decline variations. With the 230-pound set of easy grip bumper plates, I've got a pair of 45 pounds, 35 pounds, 25 pounds, and 10 pounds available. They're color-coded, have raised easy grip cutouts, and are quieter than metal plates. There are heavy-duty sandwich J-hooks that attach to the rack's uprights. They're coated so they protect your bar and are held in place with safety pins. The max weight capacity for the J-hooks is 1,200 pounds. Another safety feature is a pair of steel spotter arms, which act as a safety system when training alone. The max capacity for these arms is 2,000 pounds. They're adjustable to different heights based on the exercise you're performing, and they'll catch the bar if you fail a rep. They're also really helpful to have when loading weight plates onto the barbell. A really cool attachment that's used with the barbell is the Landmine. It mounts to the base of the rack and holds one end of the barbell in a rotating sleeve. This opens up a ton of functional movements, including presses, squats, and core work. It can also be used with a T-bar row handle, which slips over the bar and gives you a comfortable grip so you can perform rows without putting stress on your wrists or lower back. At the very top of the rack is a multi-grip pull-up bar. You get multiple gripping options that lets you perform variations of pull-ups and chin-ups. Having all these grip options helps you build your upper body strength in different ways. The Mikolo BASTET 2.0 is an FID bench that you can choose to buy alongside your Anubis 2.0 Elite. As an FID bench, it can be used as a flat, incline, or decline bench, but more interestingly, it has an adjustable headrest that allows you to perform exercises like curls or rows. It can also be converted into a half bench, making it so you can perform overhead exercises without obstruction. It also fits and stores perfectly within the Anubis's cage when not in use. Overall, the Mikolo Anubis 2.0 Elite is honestly one of the most complete and versatile pieces of home gym equipment available. What really stands out is how much you're getting in one footprint. This isn't just a half rack, it's a barbell station, dual cable functional trainer, pull-up system, landmine platform, and an organized storage solution. If you're someone who wants the full commercial gym experience without actually driving to the gym every day, this helps bridge the gap. For beginners, it's an all-in-one system that makes training simple and gives you endless exercise options. For intermediate and advanced lifters, it has more than enough stability and capacity to support serious training. I'm really excited about having this at my disposal, and I can't wait to create more content with it. So if you're interested in getting one for yourself, check out my affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.